Next, it's ladies' payback time with sweet, innocent Jenny.
This is a building site. It's got builders. The kind that like whistling and shouting and passing girls. Charming. Their foreman knows about our cameras, but they don't.
Hey, come on this ladder, will ya? Not the one in your tights, this one.
I'm going to give them a hefty dose of comeuppance.
No.
So now it's time to get payback for decades of abuse. Say hello to my friend Vic.
Hello.
And Vic has a little secret.
Hold up. That's nice, isn't it? Fucking hell. What do you think it's summer? Summer, get your tits out!
Jesus.
Excuse me, love.
The cat's up there for you.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Look at that. Shake them, you won't break them. Look, look.